In this tutorial in Microsoft Excel, I'd like to show you how to use a range name in a formula instead of the actual coordinates of the range. Let me show you what I mean. For example here, if we want to do the average of these sales numbers, one way we could do it is we could click on cell E4 and use my equal and say average and do the left bracket, and then I can click on cell B2, hold the mouse down and drag to B13 and then close it with the right bracket. That will give me the average of those cells. Let me show you another way to do that with maximum and minimum. I'm going to call these cells, give them a name for this group of cells in this range. I'll highlight the cells, right click on them and say define name. We'll define it as sales. It picks the name up from the header and click OK. So if I want to see the maximum of the sales, I'll do equal max and then I can type in sales. I can do the same thing with minimum, equal minimum. Now if I don't remember the name of that I assigned to those cells, I can simply press the F3 key and it will give me all my potential names. This is the one I have. I'll click on it and click OK. And I'll close the right bracket and we have it. And so if I look in the formula bar, it's the minimum of the sales, the maximum of the sales. This is the old formula. I'll change the average to average of sales. And there I have it. It's a nice way if you have assigned names to some of the ranges in your spreadsheet to use that in the formula instead of the actual coordinates. The other advantage is if you ever want to change what that range refers to, you can go ahead and change it. For example, let me click my formula toolbar or tab, go on my name manager. I can go ahead here and edit my sales. I'll click on edit. And here's the range. Okay, I'm going to make it larger. I'll click down here and click on OK. And now I have changed the name. So if I add something in here, we see it changed my formula because the reference now is to the new definition of what sales is. And I'll take a new maximum. And now that changed my maximum because this number is now in my range. A nice way to have an alternate to using simply the coordinates of a range by using a name as you use your formulas in Microsoft Excel.